JPN BizConnect referral meeting happening at Jito Connect, Hyderabad. Requesting member to turn off your mobile phone or put it on a silent mode for the next 90 minutes. Jai Hind everyone, a warm welcome to today's Pagaria JPN BizConnect referral meeting. I would like to start this meeting by reciting the Navkar mantra. So I request all members to kindly remove their shoes, raise and recite the Navkar mantra in chorus. Thank you.
Namo Ayariyanam, Namo Vajayanam, Namo Sarvachanokaro, Sarvapapanasanam, Mangalancha Sarvasesam, Pardamamahari Mangalam.
Jai Hind. Thank you so much everyone. Our goal to reach 57,600 crores of business among members in the near future. We have currently 90 referral groups in India and many more are opening soon across India and other countries. At Hyderabad Connect, let us take on oath. Members, please stand and say after me. We are capable and we will connect. We will contribute and we will together create an abundant JBL.
We all agree.
Together we will give and together we will grow.
We all agree. We all agree.
I'll now introduce you to Pagaria JBL leadership team of today's meeting. My name is Rubin Shah and I am the Pagaria JBN referral group meeting head. My role is to chair the meeting of our group today, ensuring that we follow the structured agenda developed by JBN Apex. On my right is our referral group lead, Aditi Jain. I'll request her.
Jai Jinendra. My name is Aditi Jain and I am the referral meeting lead for the meeting today. Along with our team, I'll be judging the best dressed, best 30 seconds pitch in the meeting and those who give the best reference to each other. Thank you and over to our referral meeting head.
Thank you, Aditi. On my left, our referral group secretary. I'll request her to introduce herself.
Jai Jinendra. My name is Sejal and I am the referral meeting secretary. I will be the time curator for 30 seconds and at the end of the meeting I will announce the statistics of today's meeting. Thank you and over to our referral group head.
Thank you so much. Now, exciting time comes now where I'll request the member to introduce one by one who they are, what they do and what sort of customers or connects they are.
I'm from Bhuj chapter, from Kutch, Gujarat. So my company name is Alamata Builders and we are in real estate from last 35 years. We work with industrial, residential and commercial sectors. So we make commercial buildings, residentials and industrial in Mundra, which is like hub for imports in Gujarat. We have warehouses which we rent out and sell to MNCs for storage. So if anyone needs any storage facilities, they can contact me. Thank you.
Raj Gandhi. I am also from Bhuj chapter and my business is printing, all category printing like t-shirt printing, corporate gifting and album printing, everything. Thanks.
Currencies?
No currencies. Only legal.
Say your contact number.
Yeah.
Contact number.
Contact number, yeah. 94 940 88 750. I am looking for everyone who is interested in corporate gifting. Thank you.
I am the Chief Secretary of Ladies Wing Bhuj. I am having my own boutique. I am dealing in Indian garments and specifically I am working right now as a stylist for the event purpose and designing the stuff as per their curated needs. My contact details are 94267 89109.
myself Rajan Mehta, Secretary, Bhuj Chapter, CP member. हमारा बिजनेस है स्टेशनरी होलसेल रिटेल, हमारी ब्रांच से हम सब प्रोडक्शन करते हैं स्टेशनरी में। लास्ट 60 इयर्स से हमारी शॉप है भुज और गांधीधाम में, और स्टेशनरी की जो भी लीडिंग कंपनी है सबका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन वॉल कच का हमारे पास है। कॉरपोरेट गिफ्टिंग है, ऑल टाइप ऑफ प्रिंटिंग का काम भी है, तो किसी की भी कुछ भी रिक्वायरमेंट हो तो कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। नंबर 9879207199। थैंक यू।
Jai Jinendra, my name is Harsh Sangvi and I am from Bhuj, Gujarat, and I deal into fire safety. So basically I am into right from designing up to licensing. I take care of entire fire safety systems. So any person who requires safety for their complexes, corporate buildings, hospitals, college, schools, everywhere we provide fire safety systems. And my number is 97243-83007. Thank you.
I am into e-commerce. I am building multiple brands across lifestyle and fashion category. One of them is Kika Kiki, which is a baby lifestyle brand, kikakiki.in. And besides this, me and my team has figured out a very cool thing. We can automate most of the content, social media content through AI. So that is some breakthrough that we found. And if anyone wants to automate their marketing videos through AI, you can connect me. Thank you. The contact number is 7013-427-650. Thank you.
I'm Chinit Kabdi from Hyderabad. We are into plywood wholesalers and importers. We import different type of plywoods and other building construction materials, and we are looking for the wholesalers and interiors. Thank you. But 888-5838-000.
बैठ दो वो लोग बैठ रहे हैं उनका। Okay, so Rishabh from Bangalore. I represent my company Fashion Stores from JBN Tycoons. So we help you to save money on your every purchases. So we have offers on recharges and coupons on 70 plus subscriptions like LinkedIn, Adobe, Canva. So you can reach out to me for saving your money. Thank you. My number is 9035-888-427. My specific ask is I look for Jain WhatsApp business group so I can expand my business in Jain community and help them save money. Thank you. Repeat the number. 9035-888-427.
My name is Abhishek. I am from Sino Pharmaceuticals Limited. We are a manufacturer of tablets and capsules. We have 4 units in India, 2 in Himachal and 2 in Guwahati. We are looking for wholesalers, distributors and people who want to start their pharma enterprise. So anyone who is interested can contact me. My contact number is 9871-909-552. Thank you.
Can you repeat the number?
9871-909-552. Thank you.
My name is Atmik. I'm from Delhi. I am a lawyer, but here I am representing my family business. Our business is in school, corporate, hospitality, uniform manufacturing, and our base is in North India. We've supplied to the Parliament of India, various corporate houses. So if you have a corporation or if you have an industry where you need uniform supplies, or if you have a school where you need uniform supplies, we'll be happy to help you. Particular ask is that we are looking to export now. So if you have bases in the Gulf or say in Western countries, we would be happy to connect. Thank you so much.
My name is Dhruv Jain and I am here to represent my firm Anjushri Impex. So basically we are an export house. Majorly we are a pioneer in global ethanol export. Apart from this, we deal in various items. For example, dhoop battis, agarbattis. Here we also deal in chemical reagents as for example DNA and RNA extraction kits, PCR reagents, etc. My ask is if anyone can connect me with laboratories, hospitals which require these kinds of chemical reagents, and my give is, for example, nowadays the tariffs to US have increased, right? So we have a second route in which we can help you export your goods to those countries in less tariffs. Thank you. My contact details are 9811-300-698. 9811-300-698.
I am from Pune. In between Pune and Mumbai, we are running a business, land acquisition. Anybody in the developer sector, in the construction sector, or in second home concept who are looking forward to acquire land and build us a second home concept in our area between Pune and Mumbai, please contact. My contact number is 800-7520-950. 7520-950.
Hello everyone, my name is Kunal Jain. I am representing a company called Boundless Trends. We are Noida based. We are a platform with the name of importer.com. As the name suggests, we provide complete solution related to imports. So whether you want to import a pin to plane, any products you want to import from China, we can do it for you. There are no MOQ restraints. You want 1 piece, 2 piece container, we can do all the things. Apart from that, we helped in building a D2C brand. So if anybody who wants to build a D2C brand in a particular category, they can log into our website importer.com, select the product and start selling their products. 9555-982527. Thank you.
My name is Anchal Munot and I'm from Hyderabad. I practice as a counseling psychologist, psychotherapist and an ice plunge facilitator. So apart from providing therapy services, I also aim in curating experiences which are mental health sensitive, where we aim to spread awareness on mental health. So by experiences I mean like day experiences or retreats or anything of that sort. So that's something that I offer, and I'm looking forward to connect whoever is wanting to be a part of it, wanting to curate something like this for organization, corporates, clubs that you're a part of or anything of that sort. Thank you.
CJ, I'm from Delhi. So we are into garment manufacturing and wholesale trading of ethnic wear, kids wear and boys men's wear. We are based in Gandhinagar, Delhi. My contact details are 99-100-20118.
Jai. My name is Acharya Rahul Pokarna.
Jai Jinesh.
जय जिनेंद्र फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम संकेत पुरवाले। जय जिने।
जय जिने।
चूहा निकला बिल से, जय जिनेंद्र बोलो दिल से। जय जिनेंद्र एवरीवन, आई एम बजरंग जैन।
Think holidays. Hello everyone, good afternoon.
हम लोग मीटिंग रन कर रहे हैं सर, 30 सेकंड्स दे रहे हैं, तो प्लीज मेंटेन द डेकोरम ऑफ द मीटिंग। तो बीच में आप बोलिए मत, कोई 30 सेकंड दे रहा है या प्रेजेंटिंग देयर बिजनेस, प्लीज आई रिक्वेस्ट एवरीवन। थैंक यू।
Jay Delhi. So I'm from Lotus Global, but now here in High Tech City we have set up a new venture which is called Kala Veda Heritage. It's an innovative startup where we have all sustainable innovations, from sustainable stationery which is made without cutting a single tree, made from agriculture waste, as well as using recycled paper. Alongside it we have a concept of art for a cause, where we're providing B2B solutions for Indian art and tribal art directly from the artist to any builder or hoteliers or anyone who wants to do corporate gifting in sustainable products. So do visit us. We are in Hall 2, E10, and thank you. 484545.
My name is Suresh Doshi from World Tank Chapter, Mumbai. We are into, my company name is Classic Holidays, and we are into hotel bookings across India, mainly the branded 5-star hotels. You name it, we have it. Taj, Oberoi, Trident, Hyatt, Marriott. We can give you at a very competitive price. We also have one more verticals of villa bookings. So if you want to go with your holidays with your family and friends, you should look out for villa bookings and contact us for that. My number 98200-35931. Thank you.
My company name is Pashwa Land and Infra. I am business in agriculture land in Mumbai, New Mumbai, Mumbai 3.0, जहाँ पे नया एयरपोर्ट आ रहा है, पनवेल, अलीबाग, करजर, वहाँ पे एग्रीकल्चर लैंड एंड डेवलपमेंट एंड प्लॉटिंग का काम है। Ashok Jain. My name is number is 93200111765. Thank you.
I'm Akshit Kothari from Venkateshwara Packaging from Bangalore. We are one-stop solution for printing, packaging and labeling. Please connect me to pharmaceuticals companies in Biocon, AstraZeneca, any companies and cosmetics also. Thank you.
Hi, good morning from KR Printing Bangalore. We are one-stop solution for all your printing needs. चाहे आपको बॉक्स बनाना हो, चाहे आपको नोट छापना हो. सॉरी हम नोट नहीं छापते, हम सिर्फ उसके डुप्लीकेट्स भी नहीं बनाते, हम सिर्फ लीगल काम करते हैं. तो आपकी कोई भी प्रिंटिंग नीड्स हो हमारे पास आइए. थैंक यू. दिस संजय हियर. माय नंबर इज 9886325901. थैंक यू.
My name is Bhavesh Mandari. I'm from Bangalore. I'm representing Mahavi Medisales. We are a pharmaceutical distribution company located in Bangalore. Our services are reaching out to entire South India and particular cities in Pan India as well. My number is 99004761. Thank you.
I represent the category of dentist. I'm Gujarat Zone Co-Convener JBN and the head of the FX JBN Training Academy. So I represent the category of dentist for any dental needs. I'm the person from Surat. Thank you.
I am Pooja Jain, advocate, solicitor and Supreme Court lawyer, heading a boutique law firm in Mumbai. Our niche practice is in the area of intellectual property, that is trademark, copyright, design, patents. Since each one of you has introduced yourself under a brand name, our role is to ensure such brands are properly registered, safeguarded and protected from misuse. I would like to connect with Sun Pharma, Epca and Taz, and I can share connection with Everest Oil and Enricel. Thank you.
Hemant from Chennai. We're in the category of events. We specialize in sounds, lights, LED wall, DJ, production, stage, everything in Chennai. If you are in Chennai, let me know. I can take you to any club in Chennai because we are having almost 14 clubs in Chennai where our equipments are installed and we have regular contract for clubs. Anyone who is getting married or any event in Chennai, do let us know. My mobile number is 8012345670. Hemant from Chennai.
67 के बाद
0 8012345670. We are been doing IPL since season 1 for CSK in Chennai. We are very specialized in sports in Chennai for IPL, ISL, Pro Kabaddi, TNPL, PBL. If you need any connection, any sports industry with anyone, I can connect you. And even pharma, I've been doing Indian Pharma Congress every year. This year is in Bangalore. If you need any connect with pharma owners, I can connect you.
Myself Rahul Chopra. I am from Surat. Attitude is a choice. Happiness is a choice. Optimism is a choice. But insurance is not a choice. It is a necessity. It is not just a security providing instrument. It also saves money. And currently GST निकल गया है तो अब ज़्यादा पैसा बचेगा. So do contact for these investment needs. My ask will be any manufacturing units in your contact sphere. Thank you. 6767-389. Thank you.
My name is Bhavin Patira. I am from Nagpur. My firm name is Super Plus Industries. We are into manufacturing of PVC electrical conduit pipes, casing, capping and fittings. My ask is electrical good dealer, government contractors and builders. Thank you.
My name is Neendariya. So let me wake you up all. Just imagine your loved ones sitting in front of you, आपकी girlfriends, boyfriends, या फिर आपके बच्चे. So I am the boss lady of Gamey Vibes. And I give you that 10 minutes, 20 minutes of happiness जो आप शायद लाखों करोड़ों रुपए कमाने के बाद जब घर जाते हो and when you sit with your loved one and play a game for 10-15 minutes, I give you that happiness. So I deal in board games, customized board games, right from tabletop games to wall magnetic games and of course life-size board games. So if you guys need any sorts of games, I'm here to your good contact. I've got a few games with me. If you can do a P2P with me, I can show you more. And along with that, my ask is interiors designers and the Jito Ladies Wing chairperson at your own cities, where I can come and organize Jito games also. And my give would be, you need any contact at Nagpur. So I was the referral head, the last referral head. So if you need any contact, do let me know. And for my number, please contact me at P2P.
Very good. Bhakti Shah.
My name is Melky Shah. My firm name is Backbenchers. We are a marketing consultancy firm. So I deal in traditional marketing to digital marketing. And if you are looking to promote your product in Nagpur, let me know. Thank you. Contact number 777001961.
Jai Jai Pram, happy afternoon. So my name is Tejraj and I'm into making people smile and happy. So how do I do that? So I'm in a corporate gifting business. So whenever you receive or give a gift, you're always happy and smiling. So it's one-stop solution from last 20 years. So we deal from pen to plate and pen to piano. So right now Diwali season is all. Our MOQ is minimum 10. The price range starts from 600 to 6,000 rupees. If anyone wants to impress their client or their employee, we have the right connect. We deliver pan India. I am from Mumbai. My mobile number is 98-203-44532. My company's name is Bhavna Corporate Gifts. Thank you so much.
My name is Ronit Jain and I am the founder of GloveMeds. We are into manufacturing and imports of rubber hand gloves. We deal into general purpose gloves like food industry, pharma industries or any other kind of manufacturing industries, as well as we have a medical gloves which are widely used across diagnostic labs, hospitals and so on and so forth. So my specific ask here would be B2B distributors in any of the general glove segment or the medical segment. And that's it. I'm Ronit from Mumbai and GloveMeds. My contact number would be 8767902878. Thank you.
Myself from Mahavir Lunia from Bedding Bliss, Ahmedabad. We are manufacturing premium quality of all designer bedding product like bed plate, comforter, bed cover, bed plate, pillow cover, runner, cushion cover, all designer product, not a printed. Printed तो घर में सब बिछा के थक गए होंगे. एक बार हमारे प्रोडक्ट एक बार घर पे आप यूज करेंगे, पूरा रूम का लुक ही चेंज हो जाएगा. और हम कस्टमाइज भी करते हैं नए घर के मुहूर्त के, मतलब नए घरों के लिए काफी चीजें हमारे प्रोडक्ट बहुत उपयोगी है. पूरा डिजाइनर प्रोडक्ट है. कॉर्पोरेट गिफ्टिंग के लिए 250 रुपीज से लेके 25,000 तक की रेंज हमारे पास अवेलेबल है. 250 से लेके 25,000 तक की रेंज. और आपको एक पीस भी चाहिए घर के लिए तो आपको डोर स्टेप पर नॉमिनल चार्ज पे डिलीवरी होगा, ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन दोनों तरफ. एंड माय आज गिफ्टिंग के लिए आप कॉर्पोरेट गिफ्ट में किसी को चाहिए, रिटेल स्टोर बेडशीट ऑनर, उनको मुझे कनेक्ट करा सकते हैं. माय मोबाइल नंबर 9420118612. थैंक यू.
So hey, hi, hello everybody. This is me, Anka Bhavna. I am the professional anchor category and I am also an event planner from Coimbatore. And from grand stages to any brand pages, I am the voice and the vibe you need for your events. And for a success story, it includes a private event with 10 people only for CM of Goa. And I have also done grand events with 5,000 people for a corporate event. So this is me, Anka Bhavna, signing in my voice. Now you make the best choice. My specific gift would be Swiggy, CFO. He's my brother, so I can connect you to him. So and specific ask would be Alankrit Events from Hyderabad.
Your contact, please.
Yeah, my contact details is 88-078-68904. Thank you so much.
I have a testimony for you.
Oh yes.
आप जो भी इवेंट कराओगे ना वहाँ बिल कम आएगा कर, because your smile is so bright.
तो प्रेरणा कोटेचा को याद करो. माइंड ब्रेक हुआ हो तो भी प्रेरणा कोटेचा को याद करो. करियर में ब्रेक लग रहा है, अरे भाई तब तो पक्का याद करो. और अगर बिना वजह किसी की याद आ रही है तो समझ जाओ थेरेपी टाइम आ गया है. तो सोच क्या रहे हो, मिलने आओ एंड स्पेशल ऑफर 1-to-1 पर 15 मिनट्स थेरेपी फ्री पाओ. जय जिनेंद्र, मैं हूँ प्रेरणा कोटेचा, फाउंडर एंड डायरेक्टर ऑफ ड्रीम लाइफ काउंसलिंग. बेसिकली आई एम फ्रॉम नागपुर. हमारी लाइफ में कितना स्ट्रेस होता है, कितनी एंजाइटी होती है और हम उससे डील नहीं कर पाते और इसलिए हमारी पर्सनल एंड प्रोफेशनल लाइफ बैलेंस नहीं रह पाती है. अगर आपको आपकी पर्सनल एंड प्रोफेशनल लाइफ को बैलेंस करना है और माइंड को काम करना है तो आप मुझे याद कर सकते हो. मेरा नाम है थैंक यू सो मच. इन लोगों ने बहुत ध्यान से सुना है. एंड लास्ट ईयर मेरे 2 बड़े अचीवमेंट्स रहे हैं. वुमेन ऑफ द ईयर अवार्ड 2024 मुझे मिला है एंड बेस्ट एजुकेटर अवार्ड from Nagpur. And along with this, so far I have conducted 100+ sessions pan India and I am the master trainer of the art of parenting session. In case if you need any help or guidance related to mental issues or career confusion, please remember me. Prerna Kotecha, signing off. Dream Life Counseling, my firm name. My number is 800-7952-750. Prerna Kotecha. Thank you.
With over 4 lakh followers on Instagram. My company name is Filmvestora IMF Private Limited. It is one of the 848th company in India to receive insurance marketing firm license from IRDAI. So we specialize into general insurance. So those who are we are offering a business audit, business insurance audit. So those who are looking to save 5 to 25% of premium on their business insurance, do contact me. My contact number is 75999915. Thank you.
Sachin Nagin Chodria, Petron members, Jito Jalgaon chapter and JBN co-convener. Techno Legal Electricity Billing Consultant. Refund and reduction in electricity bill. There are specific hours and please connect with school, college, hospital, builder and industry. Or there are specific give a refund and reduction in electricity bill. There are number 98231-37093. Thank you, signing off Sachin Chodria.
Hello everyone, my name is CA Kaushal Botra. I am from JBN Unnati from Hyderabad. I represent my CA firm KB Botra and Associates. We are a young and dynamic CA firm having expertise in audit of listed companies, GST litigations, income tax returns filings and scrutinies, and accounting. My specific ask is last one UPVC Private Limited and my give is Supreme Industries Limited of Mumbai. Thank you. My number is 9100935775. Thank you.
My name is Akshay Jain. I am from JBN Hyderabad Udan chapter. My firm name is Origin Medical. We deal in all pharmaceutical distribution of all leading generic companies like Cipla, Leaford and Alcon. We supply South India, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. We also do surgical products. And I would like to connect with any owner from a medical distribution firm or surgical firm. And my contact number is 6300587344. Thank you very much. Repeat the number. 6300587344.
Everyone, I'm Mahima from JBN Zulu chapter. I'm in the category of graphic designing. We help brands by naming the brand to creatively and strategically market the brand into the industry. My ask would be small business owners and MSME owners who have started their businesses and want to creatively market their brands. Thank you.
Singhvi from Hriday Vastu Numerology. I am from Bangalore, Rajaji Nagar. हम वास्तु का करते हैं, वास्तु, न्यूमरोलॉजी, एस्ट्रोलॉजी, प्रोनोलॉजी, हीलिंग्स एंड बिजनेस कंसल्टेंसी, बिजनेस विजिटिंग कार्ड, लोगो, पूरा वर्क है। 90 टाइप्स ऑफ मॉडलिटीज हमारे पास अवेलेबल है और किसी को भी किसी भी टाइप की एनी टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम हमारे पास क्लियर होती है, हर प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन मिलता है। थैंक यू। 901965053. Repeat 901965053. Thank you.
My name is Abhishek Ajay Rakecha. Currently I am Jito Youth Chairman in Jalgaon, Maharashtra. Basically हमारा क्या है, LPG distributorship का business है, Indian Oil Corporation. But that's not of use here. So I would pitch Gram Urja Foundation. I am director in Gram Urja Foundation, Section 8 company working for rural education. We have partnered with Teach for India Fellowship, and we take CSR funding and we implement projects in rural education sector. So if anybody want to contribute in CSR funding projects, they can connect with me. My number is 9420663838. Abhishek Ajay Rakecha, Jalgaon.
Hello everyone, I am Rupesh Kotari, founding partner at Rupesh Kotari and Associates. We are a firm of company secretaries having 5+ years of experience. I deal in helping directors conducting their board meetings, raising funds for their corporates and listing of companies, and basically restructuring their compliance needs. We handle the compliance while you focus on your growth. So So please connect me to any of your chartered accountant friends, and my give will be Ramileti Constructions of Hyderabad. Please connect me at 9160-762626. Thank you.
देवजिनेंद्र हृदय सिंह भैया, जितो मेंबर्स JBN मेंबर्स के लिए स्पेशल जो हैदराबाद इवेंट में आए हुए हैं उन सब के लिए मेरी तरफ से एक ऑफर है। मेरा जो भी कंसल्टेंसी फीस है उसका 90% डिस्काउंट मिलेगा, ओनली 10% आपको पे करना होगा। और हमारे पैकेजेस भी है, पैकेजेस जो भी लेंगे उस पैकेजेस के अंदर 50% डिस्काउंट रहेगा, और जो कुछ दूसरा मटेरियल वास्तु मटेरियल वगैरह भी रहता है उसमें भी आपको 50% डिस्काउंट रहेगा। थैंक यू।
Everyone, this is Hitesh Shah representing my company Akash Tours and Travels. We are primarily, our USP is kitchen based tours. You look at the sunks or leisure travels. We also do corporate bookings and all. So if there's any requirement, please let us know. Thank you. My contact number is 989-2980-298. I'm repeating 989-2980-298. Thank you.
So in this 2 or 3 days, Jito Connect, I'm very sure most of us might be connecting to at least 50 to 70 people. But how many of you are confident that you are actually going to establish this connection into a business connection, for which you need some software? My name is Kishore Bakliwal. I'm founder and CEO of Tattva Cloud Services. We are from Mumbai. With 25 years of experience, we have Zoho, LeadSquare type of solutions which can help you manage your customer data seamlessly and automatically. My specific ask would be any startup companies who are looking to automate their sales and marketing campaigns, and my will be my clients like Colgate Palmolive, Zepto, Flipkart, PhonePe, Freecharge, and so on. Okay. My contact number is 99-209-37717.
मेरा मध्य प्रदेश का पहला इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वेस्ट का रिसाइकलिंग प्लांट है जो ई वेस्ट को जीरो वेस्ट में कन्वर्ट करता है। तो अगर MP से कोई लोग हो तो मैं कनेक्ट करना चाहूँगा इंडस्ट्रीज और फार्मास्यूटिकल्स से। थैंक यू। मेरा मोबाइल नंबर 9926770000।
You are a startup trying to make a noise or a brand who is ready to go big, you can contact me. My number is 988-5789-005. Thank you. Jai Jinendra. I cannot hear why everyone is sleeping, I guess. Jai Jinendra. Hello everybody, I am Aditi Jain from Arya Gifts, your one-stop destination for silver-plated and premium gifting. From festival celebrations to special occasions, we have got something for everyone. Thoughtful, elegant and memorable. Our gifts add that perfect sparkle to every moment. So this season, don't just gift, make it Arya Gifts. Thank you, and I have given free gifts to everyone. Please, it's silver plated, not pure silver. Thank you so much.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Rohit Shah. As one data said, 70% of people will live their entire lives overweight. Not because they don't know how to change, but because comfort is more appealing than effort. Success isn't a mystery, it's a choice. My name is Rohit Shah and I'm your health and wellness coach. We can get you your fitness goal, we can get you fit from the fat, and we have already achieved more than 10,000 people to our club where they are living their life very healthy. So if you want to get yourself fit, please connect me. My name is Rohit Shah and my contact number 99789-11397. Thank you so much. Before we move to the next part of the meeting, I will request Dr. Nirav Jain to take the education slot because खाने के बाद I'm sure सब लंच करके आए हैं, energy बहुत down है, so I request him to push the energy for this referral group meeting. Thank you, Nirav.
Good afternoon members. में हुआ मैं जहाँ पे भी करता हूँ co-convener and also the Apex head of training academy. आज सुबह ट्रेनिंग कितने लोगों ने अटेंड की? खड़े हो जाएंगे? Potential leaders, ठीक है? बाकी लोगों को लीडर्स नहीं बनना? या पता नहीं था? हाँ? पता नहीं था. मतलब 1JBN आप आपने नहीं देखा. मतलब मैसेजेस आपने नहीं देखे. मतलब आप अप टू डेट नहीं रहे. ठीक है?
एनीवेज, अभी आज सुबह हम लोगों ने जब ट्रेनिंग की थी तो 30 सेकंड्स के बारे में भी कुछ बताया था। उसके पहले तो सुबह ही मीटिंग्स होती है तो तालियां बहुत बजती है, पर आज मैंने तालियां नहीं देखी। कितने 30 सेकंड्स हुएंगे अप्रोक्सीमेटली 45-50 का अटेंडेंस होगा अभी हमारे पास, ठीक है? तो एक बार वो एनर्जी बूस्ट हो जाए, अगर मैं जो नंबर बोलूं अलग से, मैं जो नंबर बोलूं उतनी तालियां बजानी, ठीक है? एवरीवन रेडी? 1 2 3 4 5 2 3 4 1। एक बार जोर से तालियां बजाएं हम सब मेंबर्स के लिए। ओके मेंबर्स, अभी आप लोगों में से कितनों को लगता है कि मेरी 30 सेकेंड एटलीस्ट हाफ ऑफ द क्राउड को याद है? आप बोल सकते हैं, राइट? 30 सेकेंड रिपीट करवानी है इनकी कि किसी को याद है? रिपीट करवानी है? बताइए, आई नीड एन आंसर। करवानी है, करवा देंगे। अगर उनको लग रहा है मतलब कुछ तो है, कुछ तो पक्का है। सर आप रिपीट करेंगे 30 सेकेंड। याद कीजिएगा, आपको कितना याद है?
चूहा निकला बिल से, जय जिनेंद्र बोलो दिल से। आई एम बजरंग जैन, यू मुर्गा जारी फ्रेंड्स पार्टनर। मैं जीतो नॉर्थ दिल्ली से हूँ और हमारी पवार इंडस्ट्रियल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट है वायरमेस की। मेरा गिव्स है E5 इंफ्रा कंपनी और आस्क है बिल्डर्स एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स।
हम ये एक चीज ट्रेनिंग में कई बार बोलते हैं, कीप अ वन लाइनर, ठीक है? मैं मानता हूं हर किसी के बिजनेस के लिए इतना इजी नहीं है, हर कोई आदमी इतना क्रिएटिव नहीं भी हो सकता, बट आजकल चैट जीपीटी से सब कुछ मिल जाता है। व्हाई डोंट यूज टेक्नोलॉजी, व्हाई डोंट यूज एआई? तो अगर आप इस रूम में बैठे हो और आप खुद ही इतने कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं हो कि आपका 30 सेकेंड्स किसी को याद नहीं है, तो फिर बिजनेस आना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है। बी मोर स्पेसिफिक इन योर आस्क। कितने लोगों ने स्पेसिफिक आस्क रखी थी? व्हाट डू यू इवन मीन बाय स्पेसिफिक आस्क? आपने स्पेसिफिक आस्क रखी थी? कैन यू रिपीट योर स्पेसिफिक आस्क प्लीज?
I am looking for importers who deal in imported sauces, rices and all these items.
I would still say that this is not a specific ask. Anyone else who has put a specific ask, I'll come back to you again. You have put a specific, ma'am, Pooja ji, right? Yes. She has put a specific ask.
See, he remembers. He will say.
Please, I want you to say. It's a very good answer. I want you to.
Specific ask was for 3 pharma companies, Sun Pharma, Ipca and Intas.
Okay, I would also try to connect a little more here. आपका Sun Pharma, Ipca और
Intas.
उसमें आपको किस उसमें अटैच होना है? मैनेजर से, मैनेजर लीगल डिपार्टमेंट से। Okay, do you have any name? Okay, so this is your homework. ठीक है, मैं मेरी बात करता हूँ। कई बार क्या होता है, आजकल हम लोग बहुत ही अलग जमाने में जीने लगे। मेरा पड़ोसी शायद उसका मैनेजर है, मुझे उसका नाम पता है पर मैं उसका प्रोफेशन नहीं जानता। पॉसिबल है क्या? आप सब अपने पड़ोसियों के प्रोफेशन जानते हैं? अप टू डेट जानते हैं? नाम सबके जानते हैं, राइट? सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप आपके स्पेसिफिक में नाम से लेके आइए। यहाँ पे एक इंसान ऐसा है जिसका खुद का प्रोफेशन और है पर अपने फैमिली बिजनेस को प्रमोट कर रहा है। कौन है? कौन था ऐसा? लॉयर। याद रहा सबको? लॉयर सबको याद रहा। सर साथ साथ में बोल दो ना कौन सा लॉयर है, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? यहाँ पे कोई कैटेगरी स्पेसिफिक नहीं है, बोल लीजिए कौन से लॉयर हो।
I'm an antitrust lawyer, so I don't think I'll be of much help to you guys. But if you want any corporate law reference, then
see, the point is you never know what is going to help you where. You are in a room with the people having each person having 3000 contacts. आपके रेफरल ग्रुप में जो भी कैटेगरी कर रहे हो उसके अलावा आप यहाँ पे कोई भी कैटेगरी कर सकते हो, राइट? कोई सेकंड होम दे रहा है, कौन दे रहा है? खड़े हो जाइए। सेकंड होम
2.0 into the second one concepts, who want to build.
Right. So first of all मैं अगेन इस बात कहूँगा, अपने 30 सेकंड्स पे मेहनत कीजिए, वन लाइनर्स लाइए, स्पेसिफिक आस्क करके। अभी भी does anyone have in this room a very specific ask? She was very close. You have a very specific ask.
Biocon, AstraZeneca. Biocon, AstraZeneca.
सर मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ, मैं वही कहना चाहता हूँ। मैं कहता हूँ बायोकॉन, एस्ट्राजेनेका किसको मिलना है? किसको मिलना है? I'll give you a very simple example. Donier Suitings and Shirtings. ठीक है, मेरा पेशेंट था, उसका जनरल मैनेजर डॉनियर शूटिंग्स एंड शर्टिंग्स मेरा पेशेंट था। उनका नाम हमेशा से ऐसा लगता है PK जादव।
मुझे क्या करना है, मेरा पेशेंट डॉनियर शूटिंग्स एंड शर्टिंग्स में क्या करता है, आई डोंट नो, ठीक है, बट ही इज वेरी फेमस एज पी के जादव, आई डोंट नो हिज नेम टिल डेट आई डोंट नो हिज नेम। एक आदमी मेरे साथ P2P करने आया था, मेरा फोन बजा पी के जादव, ठीक है, उन्होंने बोला ये कौन है, बोला पेशेंट है, बोले मैं पी के जादव से कनेक्ट करना चाहता हूँ, बिकॉज ही न्यू द नेम ऑफ द पर्सन पी के जादव फ्रॉम डॉनियर शर्टिंग्स एंड शूटिंग्स, आई कुड कनेक्ट हिम, ही क्लोज्ड अ बिजनेस ऑफ 1.5 CR। Be specific in your asks, be very specific, go do a little homework, आजकल Google, ChatGPT सब जगह सब कुछ मिलता है, so do a little homework। Any member in this room who can come to me with a specific ask, again, पर वहाँ थे, sir थे, yes, so homework, मैं यही कहना चाहता हूँ, आप इतने बड़े इवेंट में आ रहे हो, 12, 13, 15 हज़ार की फ्लाइट लेके आए लोग, right? Please,
I'm looking for anyone who can help me with Zudio franchisee.
Zudio franchisee, okay, तो आप एक काम कीजिए, JBN franchisee के कन्वीनर से
Okay, thank you.
सबसे बेस्ट कीजिए, वहां पे मिलिए, क्योंकि फ्रेंचाइजी इज अ वर्टिकल। हाउ मेनी वर्टिकल्स आर देयर ऑफ JBN? 14 हो गए, ठीक है, तो उनसे मिलिए आप, अगर आपको फ्रेंचाइजी चाहिए, फ्रेंचाइजी का हाँ बोलिए।
बायोकॉन में गौरव अरोरा।
Okay, where is he based from? Bangalore. Anyone from Bangalore here? Can you connect to Gaurav Arora? Can you try to connect to Gaurav Arora?
Yes, I can connect.
See, that is what I meant. Do you know Gaurav Arora, sir?
No, he can connect.
You can try to connect. इनका नंबर
My
sir.
son knows Biocon.
Yeah, his friend knows
He has
Biocon.
rented out his premises to Biocon. Wow.
Okay, sir. The point here is, आपने 2 बार Biocon बोला, but नहीं कान में पड़ा। क्यों नहीं पड़ा? क्योंकि बैंगलोर में Biocon में कनेक्ट करना उनको आइडिया नहीं था, right, sir? So that is the point. Try to be more and more specific. Again, मैं किसी को चांस देना चाहता हूँ. Does anyone have? Sir, मैं आपके पास एक बार आ गया था, इसलिए मैं एक बार उनके पास जाऊँगा, फिर मैं आपके पास वापस आऊँगा।
मुझे इंपोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट बिजनेस के लिए कंट्री के बाहर जेन्युइन बायर्स।
Again, it's a very vague ask. It's a very vague ask. Import export में करना है, यहाँ पे हमारे सर import से related है। सर आपका नाम? कुणाल जैन। इनका नंबर ले लीजिए। मुझे exactly नहीं पता कि ये connect कर पाएंगे आपसे कि नहीं, but it is somewhat related to it what I hear. Am I right? Am I right that I heard? क्यों मुझे import export याद है? क्या सबको याद है कि import export का कुछ कर रहे हैं? Yes. 30 seconds was something like that which made us all listen that he is into import export. Right? Sir, आप 2 बार खड़े हो इसलिए। Welcome.
राइट्स लिमिटेड गुड़गांव में धर्मेंद्र यादव प्रोक्यूरमेंट डिपार्टमेंट।
थोड़ा वापस धीरे।
राइट्स लिमिटेड गुड़गांव, राइट्स लिमिटेड कंपनी है गुड़गांव में, उसमें प्रोक्यूरमेंट डिपार्टमेंट में धर्मेंद्र यादव जी हैं जो सारा प्रोक्यूरमेंट का देखते हैं।
ओके, कोई गुड़गांव से है यहाँ पे? दिल्ली से कोई? सर आप एक बार ट्राई कीजिए। इंदुजीत जैन,
वो हमारे
दिल्ली के करने, हाँ उनसे भी एक बार। अच्छा आप वहीं से है, ओके फाइन फाइन। सो एज ऑफ नाउ यहाँ से कोई नहीं है, यू आर नॉट एबल टू क्लोज, वी आर स्टिल इन अ स्मॉल रूम, बट डू रिमेंबर व्हेन यू गेट इनटू बिग रूम्स, come with names and very specific ask. You never know कब किसका ask पूरा हो जाएगा। और सर आप इनसे जरूर कनेक्ट कीजिएगा, वो मैम को पहले लेंगे। Asks. Yes. A little more details. He's from Hyderabad.
Founder of we'll meet in.
Yeah, please meet
Because I know
P2P.
Alankrita Resorts also and Alankrita Jewelers also. Maybe if they
It's
are.
called Alankrit Chaitanya Events.
It's possible for me to connect.
So please connect अलंकृत चैतन्य इवेंट, शायद उनका अलंकृत ग्रुप से कोई लेना देना हो तो प्लीज डू कनेक्ट हिम, प्लीज मैम।
मुझे जलगांव के राइसोनी कॉलेज में से जो एकेडमिक हेड है उनसे कनेक्ट चाहिए। थैंक यू।
Let's have a big round of applause for this amazing festival. And can you fulfill here in a room just of 50 people? Thank you so much. So next time मैं ये भी आप लोगों से गुजारिश करूंगा कि ट्रेनिंग अकेडमीज अभी हर जगह होने वाली है। So it's not only meant for the upcoming leaders, it is for all the members also. So do attend all the training academies, बहुत useful रहेगा। अगर कोई यहाँ पे जो ट्रेनिंग आज अटेंड कर चुका है और बोलना चाहेगा कि कितना यूजफुल था, तो आई रियली बी हेल्पफुल, ताकि लोगों को पता चले कि वो कितना हेल्पफुल था आज के सुबह 2-2.5 घंटे।
Once again, Jai Jinendra to everyone present here. Morning में जैसे ही पता चला कि लीडरशिप ट्रेनिंग है, स्पेसिफिकली JBN मेंशन किया गया था, तो मैंने बहुत पहले एक कोट पढ़ा था, बिफोर बिकमिंग अ लीडर द सक्सेस इज ऑल अबाउट ग्रोइंग योरसेल्फ एंड आफ्टर बिकमिंग अ लीडर द सक्सेस इज ऑल अबाउट ग्रोइंग एंड हेल्पिंग अदर्स, राइट? तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि कुछ ना कुछ तो लर्निंग्स मिलेगी यहाँ पे, और 110% मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने मिली, समझने मिली, एंड फ्रॉम टुडे ऑनवर्ड्स इटसेल्फ आज से मैं उसे अप्लाई करना स्टार्ट करूँगी। एंड लास्ट ईयर ही हमारा JBN ग्रुप नागपुर में बना है एंड थोड़ा थोड़ा वो एक्टिव होने लगा है, और कहाँ हम लैक कर रहे हैं आज हमें पता चला। शायद मैं कुछ ना कुछ तो इनिशिएटिव लेकर वहाँ पर उस जगह मतलब वर्कआउट कर सकूं। सो थैंक यू सो मच, एंड जितने भी सेशन हुए फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग टू एंडिंग इट वाज ऑसम, बहुत सारी चीजें सीखने मिली।
तो एक बार जोर से तालियां हो जाए इस पूरे ग्रुप के लिए। Over to referral group head for the further meeting.
Now I'd like to recognize the press has done an amazing job. जीतो हैदराबाद कनेक्ट, it's super success, and यहाँ पर जो लोग आए जो मैनेज किए हैं, it's been amazing. I request him to say a few words for this meeting. Thank you.
वो JBN के हाथ में।
जय जिनेंद्र JBN। कैसे आप लोग? मजा आ रहा है यहाँ पे?
Yes sir.
देखिए नेटवर्किंग करिए, विजिटिंग कार्ड एक्सचेंज करिए, साथ साथ में रिलैक्स भी होना है। शाम में एंटरटेनमेंट नाइट है, वहाँ पे भी JBN मेंबर्स को एंट्री है, वहाँ पे भी आप लोग सब आना। और रेफरल मीटिंग के अलावा P2Ps भी है नेक्स्ट हॉल में, फ्रेंचाइजी का है, बिजनेस मामा का सेशन भी है, वो भी सारे आप लोग अटेंड करिए। एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग।
Thank you so much sir. Thank you so much. Now as we know what business our fellow members are into and what kind of customers they are looking for, let us all start working to connect one another and bring referrals. Please remember, before you connect to the referrals, make sure you inform the referred person that your fellow members will be calling, meeting him or her. Now I hand over the next part of the meeting to referral group lead.
Now, this is Connect Safe Connection Start section of the meeting. We'll start with the referral round.
I have section and